Hey, this is James, and today we're going to be fixing the nativelog.txt problem. And here's the deal. When you click on the little icon on your desktop for Minecraft, this little text thing is generated in that folder. So here's what we want to do to fix that. All right, it's being used by the program, so we'll just close the program. There we go. Go to Properties on the Minecraft link. Now highlight the target, copy it, and then paste it in the Start In folder, because that's where it will be generated. Then just remove the Minecraft.exe from the end and click Apply. You will need to provide and administer permissions. Yes. Continue. Okay. And now when we click it, nativelog.txt is still being generated, but it's being generated in the file where the actual program is that's being run, which is what is supposed to be the default. But when you leave the link thing blank up here, you end up with that link having the default of wherever it's clicked. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and don't get eaten. Bye.